Mr. Ram, you can come.
Good evening, everyone. My today's topic is first topic in our list, that is water. There is a quote that water is life, and definitely it's truth, because we can't think without water. H2O is the formula of water, and if there is no water, there is no life, there is no earth. Only one earth is water planet in the world, is called as earth. So water is as valuable as air. There are three main things important to human beings, that is shade, shelter, food, and after that water and air. Two things is very important. When we get early in the morning, our day beginning with the water and end our day with the water. Water every sector covered, like as companies, industry, farm, etc. Sector is only base of water. So we can't think without water. So we take care of water. We plant more trees, and then can be water comes in on the earth. If we look in Rajasthan, there is a desert, there is no trees, there is no plants, so that's why there is no water. Where some place has trees, so that there is only water. So in which area, a mini area covered by water, covered by trees, covered by forestry, there at there only water is many much more water. There are many sources of water, like as pond, well, river, sea, etc. But there is 97% water is only in the sea. So only 3% water is good for drink human beings, and those 3% water is I think there is a 2% water is in a only ice form, like as Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, some states in our India, which is covered by the only ice covered area. So there is only 1% water is good for human being to drinking water. So importance of water is a very good, very necessary. So everyone's right to save water. When there is no need, you can close your tap, revise the water. We can make energy through water, like as dam. We feed their we can feed their machines, and through that machine we can produce energy through water's pressure. So water is very important for creating energy for human being, for animals, insects. Everyone wants water. Crops not comes without water, so crops also need water. So if we look in history, that time there is a many water, many rainy seasons. In rainy season, many rains fallen. But nowadays there is a no come rains average. Somewhere falling many rains, somewhere falling less rain. So there is a reasons. So there is a many reasons for that, like as forestry going, a lack of forestry, a lack of trees, a lack of carelessness of the people towards the water. So everyone's right to save water, save trees, save your environment, save your life. So you can save everything. So thank you everyone.
Thank you so much. Same and very
Thank you,
nicely.
ma'am.
Well done. Keep it up, Mr. Ram.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good.